Spring is here, snowdrops are blooming. Let's paint them. An outline drawing is done, and I've done it really lightly. Snowdrops are a little bit enlarged from original, removing the excess amount of graphite off, and we need to remove really carefully. This is white subject, very light green parts as well, so as you can see from the video, my outline is almost invisible. Let's mix now watercolors. Be sure to use clean water. Taking watercolors, Sap Green, with little touch of lemon yellow for the green parts of the snowdrop flower, for the stem, adding a little amount of ultramarine blue and a little bit more of lemon yellow. Very bright, more yellowish green mix. Second mix is Indian yellow, Sap Green, lemon yellow, and a little touch of ultramarine. That's for the upper part of the green stem. And now the shadow mix for the snowdrops, ultramarine blue, very small amounts, transparent yellow, and manganese violet. Now we'll be adjusting this color mix, adding a little bit more of ultramarine blue, a little bit more of ultramarine blue. And now I need to test on a piece of paper how my gray color for the shadow part of this flower head looks. Adding more water and making it really transparent. Adding a little bit of green mix because white surface is reflecting the colors that are around the white area, and the green stem, green parts on the flowers are reflected also on the white surface of the petals. Now we can start painting. Be sure that your water is clean after mixing watercolors. This is really important when painting white subjects. Starting with one little small petal, one section at a time, and looking only on the shadow area. We are not looking on the white spots, on the lightest parts of the petals. We are looking only on the darker parts, on some spots, shadow area, cast shadow area, and that's how we are making this white subject white on this white surface without any white pigment, only painting those areas which have some kind of color, some darker areas. And this is a really tiny flower, so I'm working really careful with the very tip of the brush. Now I'm adding that little green spot which is at the very base of each petal. Constantly looking at my reference and really training my eye to see details that are beyond that white surface. And if we look carefully, there are a lot of little things going on. First of all, of course, we see just white flower with some green marks on it. But when we really start to explore, we start to see more. And that's what we are aiming for with white subject. We need to see different colors whites are reflecting everything that is around. Adding finishing touches to this little practice of white subject, these beautiful snowdrops, and learn a lot. There's always so much to learn painting white subject on white paper with watercolors. Hope you also enjoyed this painting and tried these snowdrops to practice and learn something new. Thank you very much for being here, for watching this tutorial and painting along. See you in my next tutorials. Bye bye.